We please ask that you remain seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and please supervise those children. Now, some will travel to magical places through the pages of a book, but for those that visit in person, whether it be down a rabbit hole or with a little pixie dust, oftentimes find their way into these quite magical or even menacing, though it looks like we're passing through the jaws of monstrous whale, we're actually being transported to a magical place called Storybook Land. Now, of course, our story begins with once upon a time, with the big bad wolf's cave on Earth, but those three little pigs live across the way in three houses, one made of straw, one made of sticks, and one made of guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. Now, just around the corner, our next story takes place in the quaint English village of Home Palace, where on one golden afternoon, she chased the white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down, down, down into Wonderland and things became curiouser and curiouser from there. On her right is London Park, where Peter Pan first took John, Wendy, and Michael Darling flying across Neverland for the very first time. Up ahead is the city of Agrabah, the place where three rat made Aladdin first looked at the Princess Jasmine in the marketplace and stole her heart with the help of the genie. They fell in love and now live atop of the Soul Face Palace to this day. The gold archways above us, the same ones Aladdin first took Jasmine under in their magical carpet ride, guiding it under to a whole new world. The Cave of Wonders is one that is quite magical and also quite frightening. The legend has it that whoever says that he be free will be granted three wishes. Let's make a wish now and see if it comes true. The cozy cottage on our right is the home to the seventh ward, who took in Snow White for her kindness when she was trying to flee that evil queen. On our left, Cinderella had wished to go to a ball, but when her wicked stepmother forbid it, her fairy godmother granted her the wish. And when she didn't return home before midnight, her coach turned into a pumpkin on that day free. Some people dream magical dreams, and others literal dreams of lying down on a bed like these bed of crocuses flowers on our left, inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony Part 2, Lullaby Land. Now, of course, everything here in Storybook Land is magical, even the miniature trees that you see here along your bank in London Park with the help of Cinderella and the pixie dust. They will never ever have to grow up. The wind in the willows, with Mr. Toad's lazy manner coming up just on our left. But sorry folks, Jay Thaddeus isn't home right now. He is currently off on his motor cart to nowhere, in particular, Arendelle, a home to Elsa, Anna, Olaf, Prince Robin's friend, and Elsa's Ice Palace in the distance on the mountaintop. Up ahead is the snowy Alp village just ahead of the wood carver has wished upon a star for his puppet to turn into a real boy. And with Pinocchio saving him from the mouth of Monster the Whale, the Blue Fairy granted him that wish. The Little Mermaid lives in the shadows of her father King Titans. And just behind that waterfall is where Ariel came up from under the sea for the very first time. as your story comes to an end, you see that the whoever succeeded, keeping those hands, arms, and fingers like a boat, and all that kind of free, we're all gonna stand up together in the center of the boat for balance, so nobody takes a trip under the sea.